Hello, my name is Vishal. In this video, let's see the grid texture. Grid texture is a 2D texture which can be used for any architectural patterns. So I'll open Hypershade here, create a new shader which is a Lambert shader. Let's create a plane. A 2D texture, grid, and connect it to the color. Press 6 on the keyboard. I have to assign the shader, and you got this. So we have the line color. Let's change the color to green. Then we got the filler color. Let's change that to blue. We got the U width. We got the V width. And we have the contrast. So we can replace the filler color, the blue one, with a texture. Okay, we can create some interesting tile sort of pattern. Reduce the V width and U width like that. And I've got the remap for the fractal. Let's insert a remap and take some brown color. Like that. And then here let's put some white color. That looks like a nice tile. I'll open Hypershade. We have this grid texture. We can duplicate the shading network, so the whole network gets a copy. I'll drop this grid into the bump, and then you should be able to see the depth there. Okay, I'll change the shader to maybe Pong shader, so that you can just experience the tile. I'll reduce the or change the texture here. So I'll change the value of this one to 0.5 and saturation to 0, and this one to 0 and 0.55. Okay, and now just go to the bump value, put a value of 0.2 or such. It gives me rough tiles that way. So yeah, that's how you can create a nice tiles with the grid texture. And we can go to the grids placement node and enable the stagger. To give that cross tile pattern, we can change the size of the tiles. Just by repeating the tiles like that. So we get the brick pattern here. So in the repeat U I have put 5, and repeat V I have put the 10 value. We can always use the remap tool and change the tile color to something else like that. Okay. Apart from that, we can still explore the texture. So I'll just assign blend shader and take grid in the color. We have the filter offset which we can use here, and once the filter offset is on, I'm using the remap. Now I can pick different colors there. Like that. And I'll take a gray color in all the 3 inputs, and then I'll take a dark one. Maybe I can make it look more hard there. That way. Like that. Okay, what can be done there? Maybe we can take this one and we can connect that to the bump map. You get that nice panels like texture, something like sci-fi panels. So yeah, cool, isn't it? We can select this and then duplicate the shading network. Let's make the color to the black, and connect this one to the specular color. That's more metallic. So we can take a texture, something like fractal. We got the U width and V width, so I'm connecting this. It looks like it's melting off. The best part is we can maybe animate them. Cool. Very interesting textures I've been making here with the grid. So as I said, I can just keep exploring and see what I can do here with this texture, and what I may end up. So whatever I'm doing here in the filter offset 0.25, then here also I need to put 0.25, or you can generally control with the command itself. It looks like even a nice pavement texture as such, right? For that I think I need to select, duplicate the shading network, and connect them to the color, and then change the color. Okay, so there are a lot of possibilities here, but yeah, but with some limitations with some other tools available outside Maya. Okay, procedural texturing, there are a lot of limitations comparing to the specialist softwares which can do procedural texturing. Yeah,